Welcome back to another new video. How to maintain healthy cholesterol level in our body. Cholesterol is both hero and villain. While we cannot live without it, in excessive amount it can kill us. Let's get into the video.
Cholesterol is a fatty wax-like substance found naturally in all body cells and is essential for life. Source of cholesterol. Animal products are the largest source of fat in the diet. Types of cholesterol includes good cholesterol or HDL, bad cholesterol or LDL and VLDL, that is very low density lipoprotein. Desirable values. Total cholesterol should be maintained below 200 mg per deciliter. HDL should be maintained above 45 mg per deciliter. LDL should be maintained below 100 mg per deciliter. The values of VLDL are 15% of the total cholesterol. Control your cholesterol. Eat less meat or none at all. All kinds of meat contain cholesterol. A vegetarian diet is actually the most healthful, partly because fruit and vegetables contain no cholesterol at all. Use less dairy products. If you use milk, ice cream, cheese or yogurt, choose the non-fat or low-fat varieties. Use only unsaturated vegetable fats. These includes corn oil, soy oil, flaxseed oil, sesame oil, olive oil and even groundnut oil. Reduce the amount of oil you use in cooking, even in pan frying. Stay away from deep fried snack foods and the many junk foods. We can see the tips to reduce bad cholesterol or LDL in a natural way in the coming video clips. Eat 3 regular meals each day and avoid snacks in between meals. Also eat fresh fruits and fruit salads instead of snacks. Eat more water-soluble fibers every day. They are found plentifully in oats, beans and fruits. So you can increase the intake of these foods. Alcohol slows down the removal of fats from the blood, thus resulting in an increased amount of fats circulating in the bloodstream. Drink at least 8 glasses of water or juice daily. It is needed to keep cholesterol absorbing fiber flowing through the body. Sugar causes a higher level of fats in the blood. Too often, parents give sweets to their children as a reward. The children grows up loving sweet things, not realizing the possible harm to the body. Exercise also lowers bad cholesterol. Vigorous exercise and active aerobic exercise like brisk walking is absolutely essential. Let's see some tips to increase good cholesterol. HDL level increase significantly more often after consumption of olive oil with the highest polyphenol content. Low carbohydrate and ketogenic diet typically increase HDL level in people with diabetes and obesity. Consuming 2 tablespoons of coconut oil per day may help you to increase HDL level. One of the negative effects is a suppression of HDL cholesterol. So, quit smoking will increase HDL level, helps to protect your heart. Eat fish often. Fishes like salmon, herring and sardines helps to improve HDL. Choose purple food products like eggplant, red cabbage, blueberries, blackberries and black raspberries to improve your HDL. Artificial trans fats have negative health effects due to their inflammatory properties. These fats may decrease HDL level, so avoid artificial trans fats. How much cholesterol is your blood carrying through the arteries? Worse yet, how much blood is in the lining of your blood vessels? If you know there is too much, begin today to improve your heart health. If you do not know, why not get for your blood check to find it out soon?
Maintain ideal HDL value above 40, LDL value below 100 for a happy life and healthy heart. The heart attack you prevent may be your own.
Cause life gets hard, it might leave scars, could tear you apart if you let it be smart, yeah.